Hello mga ka-Marksman, it's me, Teacher Marks, and in this video, you will learn how to solve division using short division. So without further ado, let's begin. First example, here we have 2-digit dividend divided by a 1-digit divisor. How can we solve this using short division? So here's what you need to do. The first step is divide 7 by 3. So what is 7 divided by 3? So 7 divided by 3, that is 2. Since there's 2 3's in 7, and then you need to multiply the answer to the divisor. So 3 times 2, that is 6. And then if you subtract 6 from 7, you will get 1. Then you need to write 1 on the left of number 8. Now 8 becomes 18. Now, what is 18 divided by 3? So, 18 divided by 3, that is 6. Since there's 6 3's in 18. And then, 6 times 3 is 18. So, if you subtract that to 18, the answer is 0. That means 78 divided by 3 is 26. I hope that's clear. So, that's how you do short division in solving division. Next example. So here we have 3-digit dividend divided by a 1-digit divisor. So we just need to do the steps that we did in the previous example. So what is 8 divided by 6? That is 1. Since there's 1 6 in 8. Now, you need to multiply your answer to the divisor. Now, 6 times 1 is 6. And if you subtract that from 8, you will get 2. So, you need to write the number 2 on the left of 5 or on the left of the next digit. Now, 5 becomes 25. And then, what is 25 divided by 6? So, that is 4. Since there are 4 6 in 25. Now, 4 times 6 is 24. And if you subtract that from 25, you will get 1. So, you need to write 1 on the left of number 8 or on the left of the next digit. Now, 8 becomes 18. And what is 18 divided by 6? So, the answer is 3 since there are 3 6 in 18. And if you subtract that from 18, the answer is 0. That means the final answer is 143. So, that means 858 divided by 6 is equal to 143. I hope that's clear. Next example, here we have 4-digit dividend divided by a 1-digit divisor. So you just need to do the steps that we did in our previous examples. Here, you cannot divide 2 by 9 since 2 is smaller than 9. So, you need to get a number from the dividend that is bigger to the divisor. So, we need to use 23 since 23 is bigger than 9. So, what is 23 divided by 9? That is 2 since there are 2 9's in 23. Then, you need to multiply your answer to the divisor. So, what is 2 times 9? That is 18. And if you subtract that from 23, the answer is 5. So, you need to write the number 5 on the left of number 1 or on the left of the next digit. So, this one becomes 51. And 51 divided by 9, that is 5. Since there are 5 9's in 51. And 5 times 9 is 45. And if you subtract that from 51, the answer is 6. So now, this 5 becomes 65. And 65 divided by 9, that is 7. Since there are 7 9's in 65. And 7 times 9, that is 63. And if you subtract that from 65, the answer is 2. Since we don't have any digit on the right of 5, the number 2 becomes the remainder. That means 2,315 divided by 9 is equal to 257 remainder 2. I hope that's clear. Next example. Here we have 5-digit dividend divided by a 2-digit divisor. Here, we cannot divide 3 by 12 since 3 is smaller than 12. So, we need to use 30. And 30 divided by 12, that is 2. Since there are 2 12's in 30. And 2 times 12, that is 24. And if you subtract that from 30, the answer is 6. Now, this 9 becomes 69. And 69 divided by 12, that is 5. Since there are 5 12s in 69. And 5 times 12, that is 60. And if you subtract that from 69, the answer is 9. So, you need to write 9 on the left of number 4. Now, 4 becomes 94. And 94 divided by 12, that is 7. And 7 times 12, that is 84. And then, if you subtract that from 94, the answer is 10. So, you need to write 10 on the left of number 8. So, 8 becomes 108. And 108 divided by 12, that is 9. And 9 times 12, that is 108. And if you subtract that from 108, the answer is 0. So, we don't have a remainder here. So, that means 30,948 divided by 12 is equal to 2,579. I hope that's clear. Next example, here we have 5-digit dividend again, divided by a 2-digit divisor again. So here, we cannot divide 6 by 61 since 6 is smaller than 16. So we need to use 61. And 61 divided by 16, that is 3. Since there's 3 16s in 61. And 3 times 16, that is 48. And if you subtract that from 61, the answer is 13. So you need to write the number 13 on the left of 5. So 5 becomes 135. And 135 divided by 16 is equal to 8. Since there are 8 16s in 135. And 8 times 16, that is 128. And if you subtract that from 135, the answer is 7. So, you need to write 7 on the left of another 5 or on the left of the next digit. So, this 5 becomes 75 and 75 divided by 16, that is 4. Since there are 4 16s in 75. Now, 4 times 16, that is 64. And if you subtract that from 75, the answer is 11. So, you need to write the number 11 on the left of number 8. So, this 8 becomes 118. And 118 divided by 16, that is 7. Since there are 7 16s in 118. And 7 times 16, that is 112. And if you subtract that from 118, the answer is 6. Since we don't have any number on the right of number 8, the number 6 becomes the remainder. So that means 61,558 divided by 16 is equal to 3,847, remainder 6. I hope that's clear. Anyway, please support me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube so that you are always updated with my new videos. Also, please like, comment, and share this video. If you truly understand this lesson, you can try to answer this one. You can type your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.